In this video, I'll show you how to remove bank accounts in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Accounting. Now, under Accounting, you want to head over to the Accounting tools, and down below, you want to click on Chart of Accounts. Once you are on the Chart of Accounts section, you want to head over to the top bar. And from here, you want to click on the second tab, which is Assets. Now, on the assets section, you will automatically see your banks. So at the very top, we have here two banks. One is a debit and one is a credit. And you will note that it is a bank because on the type, it is set as a bank. Now, in order for you to delete a bank, you want to hover your mouse on a bank. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the checkbox to check it. And at the top, you will have two options, either to delete or archive. If you set it to delete, a pop-up will show, and from here, just simply head over to the bottom in the left corner and click on OK. One thing that you have to know is that when deleting an account, you won't have any chance for you to get it back again. However, if you head over to the check mark and click on Archive, it will also be removed from the assets. However, on the Archive tab, which is at the very last, you will see your bank account, and from here, you can check it to restore. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.